In a quiet village with green fields all around, there lived two best friends, Arjun and Ravi. Both boys loved gardening and often challenged each other to grow the most beautiful plants. One day, the village chief announced a contest. Whoever could grow the healthiest plant from a provided seed within 3 months would win a special prize. Excited, Arjun and Ravi eagerly collected their seeds. Arjun planted his seed in good soil, watered it every day, and gave it plenty of sunlight. Days went by, but to his sadness, nothing grew. Even though he tried, nothing grew in the pot. Meanwhile, Ravi's seed quickly sprouted and grew into a vibrant plant. Ravi often joked with Arjun, saying, "Maybe you're just not good at growing plants." 3 months later, villagers gathered to present their plants. Ravi proudly showed his healthy, growing plant, while Arjun stood nervously beside his empty pot. Whispers filled the air, questioning Arjun's gardening skills. The chief examined each plant and finally approached Arjun and asked, "Why is your pot empty?" Arjun replied softly, "I did everything I could, but the seed never sprouted." The chief smiled and turned to the crowd and announced, "We have our winner." He placed his hand on Arjun's shoulder and said, "The seeds I gave were cooked and couldn't sprout." Arjun's honesty in showing his empty pot proves his good character. Ravi's face turned bright red with shame. He said, "I was scared the seed wouldn't grow, so I used a different one that I knew would grow." The chief nodded and said, "This contest was about honesty, not how well you can grow plants." Arjun showed honesty, and that's the best quality anyone can have. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. Speaking the truth, even when it's hard, shows you are a good person. Honesty earns trust, respect, and true success in life.